Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mojito soda. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. For each refreshing drink, you'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1.5 ounces of your favorite white rum and 4 to 6 ounces of crisp club soda. And of course, plenty of ice, plus a lime wedge or mint sprig for that perfect finishing touch. Now, let's get to the heart of the flavor. Take your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, placing them directly into a sturdy glass. Next, pour in your 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients for about 10 to 15 seconds. This crucial step releases the aromatic oils from the mint, infusing your drink with its signature refreshing taste without tearing the leaves. With your mint and sugar muddled, it's time to add the spirit. Carefully pour 1.5 ounces of white rum into your glass. Then, fill the glass generously to the top with ice cubes. Give everything a good stir for about 20 seconds, ensuring all the flavors are well combined and the sugar has completely dissolved. This chilling step is essential for a perfectly balanced and refreshing mojito soda. Finally, let's complete our delicious mojito soda. Slowly top off your glass with 4 to 6 ounces of crisp club soda, filling it to your desired level. Give it one last gentle stir to integrate the soda without losing too much fizz. For the perfect presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant sprig of mint. Now, your homemade mojito soda is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.